Sayo pa kayo no para maka-decide kung mag-med mo. Pero kani siya it depends on what area of medicine are you planning to study. So we also have the last one. So evidence-based herbals or kani siya na siya scientific handbooks. So these are references on mga medical books pwede sa dir. So that specifically focus on validating traditional uses. So naa siya scientific evidences na part diri ang pharmacology. So that involves mga in vitro, in vivo testing, kanang naa siya live organism na testing. So these books, they often evaluate the chemical constituents and mechanism of action of herbs along with drug interactions. So na siya sa iyang bioactivity and as well as safety precautions. So naatay mga conventional ways of how to test mga cytotoxicity. So pwede sa dira. And cytotoxicity is still under bioactivity. So these are just examples of records of medicinal plants in available na ni sila sa ebook, of course. So now, going back to morphology, nowadays na natay modern technologies on actually how to identify mga medicinal plants aside from consulting with experts. So for plant identification, na tayo mga AI-driven tools to analyze features, just to mention this, like leaf shape, mga texture, color, and venation of to identify the correct species. So this is actually particularly in challenging, unbalanced, and real-time environments. So natay automated plant identification system. So this is actually leveraging computer vision as well as machine learning offer a crucial, efficient alternative to time-consuming or expert-dependent manual methods for biodiversity studies. But this one, dili pa siya ingana ka well accepted in although naanay mga researches, but for example na kay natural product studies, they still require na magpa-authenticate ta sa atong plant sample. So kani siya dili pa siya accepted jud when it comes to research studies. But this is the evolution of identification of plant species. So now, when it comes to studying medicinal plants, we actually have mga traditional or what dili man siya, it's still used in this modern time. So we call them traditional or conventional. And take note no that modern analytical techniques, they are actually based from traditional or conventional techniques. So ang method validation niya, the way that you validate the method, it's still ang iyahang principle is based on the traditional or conventional aside from kung novel siya. So novel, when you mention novel, completely new analytical technique. So it actually needs to undergo method validation. So dire, atong i-mention ang some of the ways of extraction, nasa tayo example of purification. So traditional medicinal plants, they are actually historically validated through a combination of mga long-term empirical observation. So naasa tayo mga trial and error and cultural documentation, no? So these are passed down through generation. And often, no, if it's in terms of mga medicinal plants, the medical treatments and methods, they are actually chosen based on a doctor's personal experience, observation, and tradition. So these are used rather than on a strict scientific experiment. So katong sa una pa dyan. So while effective in traditional contexts, many traditional remedies have not been validated by modern scientific standards for safety, efficacy, and consistency. That's why hantod karon gina-study gihapon sila, gina-validate gihapon ang ilahang therapeutic claims.